Elon Musk has influenced the world in incredible ways, from Tesla Motors to SpaceX to The Boring Company to Starlink, Neuralink, and Tesla Energy. His businesses have made an enormous impact on the world. Elon Musk's investments are often risky, but they pay off because he understands how to make them work when others would not. But how are his businesses changing and reshaping the future? And how are each of his enterprises impacting the future of mankind? Welcome to Futured. Today, we'll share how Elon Musk will change the future of mankind. Before we do, subscribe to our channel to get updated with everything on future technology, Elon Musk, or SpaceX. Elon Musk is a visionary leader who is a visionary that is focused on making the future better and believes in taking action now. He has boldly invested in areas that other companies may be afraid of at this moment. Let's first look at SpaceX. Elon is the first person on Earth to profit from a space firm. Elon Musk created SpaceX in 2002 to lower space transportation costs so that Mars may be colonized, which is his dream goal. Starship, the latest project, has been an interplanetary transportation system that could transport humans to the farthest reaches of our solar system. SpaceX has a long list of impressive accomplishments, including becoming the first private business to fly humans into space and making rockets reusable to reduce the cost of space travel. You may wonder why this is significant. Well, that's because anything to do with space is too costly. Why is SpaceX revolutionary? NASA's Space Shuttle program was groundbreaking because it was the first important step towards standardizing space travel while also introducing the notion of rocket reuse. Despite one of the Space Shuttle's essential claims of being less expensive space travel, like most other government-sponsored ventures, fell flat on its face, costing a total sum of $209 billion or $1.6 billion with each launch. NASA launched 1,000 Crew Dragons with $209 billion instead of the 134 Space Shuttle flights. SpaceX wants to get the cost of a Starship down to $2 million. This, however, is just the tip of the iceberg. SpaceX wants to make flying across nations as simple as moving between cities by automobile or rail today. Doesn't that seem a little far-fetched? How much does one space trip cost? However, Elon Musk and SpaceX are working on it. Elon links space rockets to airplanes, claiming that flying one trip would cost up to $250 million if they were not reused, but that since they can be reused tens of thousands of times, it becomes inexpensive. A SpaceX rocket costs over $57 million, and if it is reused 1,000 times, it costs roughly $57,000 every flight. By carrying humans, we can reduce the cost of a rocket trip to that of an economy airplane ticket. The Starship rocket is designed to transfer people from city to city as well as to Mars. Tesla. Elon Musk's revolutionary Tesla is a $1 trillion automaker worth more than all of the other big automakers combined. Tesla manufactures sustainable solar energy solutions as well as batteries, in addition to being the world's top maker of electric vehicles. The factory, according to Musk, is made up of machines that make machines. It's a change in emphasis from developing the machine itself to enhancing the machine that creates the machines. This has prompted Tesla to move away from the way cars have been built for years toward a more vertically integrated system. Tesla's die casting capabilities are possibly the most innovative of their manufacturing processes, especially in the automobile sector. We're referring to the Gigapress. The Indra Group produces the world's biggest high-pressure die casting equipment, which are increasingly employed in Tesla operations. They have a cycle duration of around 90 seconds, resulting in a daily output rate of roughly 1,000 castings per machine. Tesla's manufacturing revolution has the potential to dramatically transform how automobiles are manufactured, and we are here to witness that happen. The Hyperloop. Elon aims to construct transportation through Hyperloop with his other firm, The Boring Company. The Hyperloop is noteworthy because it will be inexpensive, quick, crash-proof, and weather-resistant. Hyperloop stations will be located inside cities, making travel more straightforward and quicker. Musk has envisioned a network of overlapping tunnels that would carry people between cities, counties, and continents using skate platforms or his new electric transportation system, the Hyperloop. This may seem to be science fiction, but it is occurring. Cities have already signed deals with the Boring firm. The Boring Company intends to solve the traffic issue. Elon Musk's Boring firm has the ability to dramatically revolutionize the face of urban transportation by simply burying it all. Usually, when you think about the future, you think of flying automobiles as shown in sci-fi films. On the other hand, Elon Musk is opposed to that concept. In a TED interview, Musk dismissed the concept of flying vehicles and drones, stating that no one wants to see automobiles flying above us, causing all sorts of disruptions. In many respects, Elon is correct. He claimed perhaps one of the most soul-destroying things is traffic, and that if there is traffic in the air or automobiles that obstruct the view of the sky, they can impact weather. Musk intends to construct a 3D network of tunnels to address the traffic issue. He thinks that a network of tunnels running deep under cities would solve the problem of urban traffic. With these great enterprises, transportation will be quick and inexpensive in the future. Starlink, the new age super-speed internet. Elon hopes to provide the internet to everyone with Starlink. This SpaceX project promises to put almost 12,000 satellites into orbit that will give internet all across the globe, including locations where people don't have the internet today. Starlink will be implemented on Earth and as a communication system encircling Mars to promote this ambition of delivering access and the internet to everyone. But as we proceed into the future, what about human intellect and humanity? Elon too has considered it. According to Elon, they are developing more advanced intelligence with a fraction of brilliance that is not human rising. The Neuralink. Elon Musk has developed Neuralink, a futuristic technology to address the issue. In 2016, he launched this firm, which is developing a chip implanted in the brain, enabling you to communicate with a computer. Neuralink is in discussions with regulators about commencing a human study in the future. Neuralink will provide people with incredible thinking and information gathering capabilities in this data-driven society. Tesla Energy. The way people consume energy varies as their societies and economy change. Today's grid isn't adaptable enough to fulfill these new and evolving demands. To keep up with expansion and manage aged infrastructure, significant modifications are required to prevent breakdowns. Here's when Solar City comes into the picture. Elon Musk with Tesla Energy acquired Solar City that will create the world's only integrated sustainable energy company. Throughout the solar panels during the day, the system generates and stores energy, with any excess energy flowing back into the grid to power homes and businesses. The energy generated by these smart energy buildings is then used to power whole towns. This is what the grid of the future will look like. It's more cost-effective and cleanly disseminated. It's equipped with the cutting-edge technologies and tools that grid operators need. It is more dependable to use a dispersed grid. Solar City is robust to outages and self-healing when storms or physical assaults occur. Together, Solar City and utilities can establish a new way to power the future, thanks to Musk's world-class technical teams devoted to creating the tools and constructing the systems that will enable utilities to securely supply dependable electricity. To summarize, Elon Musk and his wide range of enterprises will have a significant impact on the globe's future. Elon Musk is very driven to strive for humanity's long-term well-being and to inspire many of the next generation. So, what are your thoughts on Elon Musk's incredible businesses? Do you think they will change the future of humankind? Which venture do you think will be the most impactful? Let us know in the comments below. That's all for now. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get updated with everything on future technology, Elon Musk, or SpaceX. Thank you for watching.